good morning, students. Students, today we will understand the story of lesson number 8, that's name is Sacrifice. Many years ago, there was a great king and kind hearted ruler named C.B. Rana. He was famous for his sacrifice. The very gods are afraid from him. These gods were decided to take test to C.B. Rana. The two gods, Varun and Agni, were converted into eagle and dove. There was a frightened dove chased by eagle. Dove, the dove went to shelter of the king. Eagle cried angrily to the king, "How dare you deprive me of my prey?" King replied, "I dare because I am the king of this region, and dove trusts me, so I will give shelter to dove, and I am ready to give." So students, shelter to dove means king said to eagle, "I will give the shelter to dove." And in the place of dove, I am ready to give equal quantity of any other food. Then eagle said to the king, "I want your own flesh of left side of the body." King was agreed. After that, king's flesh was being carried out, but bird began to wag more and more. Is it clear, students? Then the eagle saw tear in the left eye of the king. Eagle cried and say, "Stop, stop, stop. King, you are weeping. So this is not your good sacrifice." Then king said to the eagle, "I don't weep for myself, because after giving my own flesh, I cannot protect to the dove." After this, suddenly dove and eagle changed into the form of Varun and Agni, and said to the king, "O king, you are great, and your sacrifice also." So story is clear, students. Then we will complete the question answers and exercises of this lesson. Question answers, students, we will understand. First question, what kind of ruler was C.B. Rana? Answer, C.B. Rana was a great and kind-hearted ruler. Second question, why was the dove frightened? Answer, the dove was frightened because a fierce-looking eagle was chasing him. Third question, who provided shelter to the frightened dove? Answer, the king C.B. Rana provided shelter to the frightened dove. Fourth question, why did the courtiers stand up in the alarm? Answer, eagle said to the king, "I want an equal quantity of your own flesh." On hearing this, the courtiers stood up in alarm. Then students, we will complete exercises. First exercise, fill in the blanks. Dash decided to test CB Rana. Gods, we can fill gods. Second, the king was seated in his hall of justice. We can fill justice. Third, the king was seated. Third question, the king took the dove into his answer. Clock to shelter it. Clock to shelter it. Fourth, the dash began to wag more and more. Here we can fill dove. The dove began to wag more and more. Then true or false, students? First, the eagle was chasing a dove. This is true. Second, the dove trusted to the king. True. Third statement, the king was ready to give his own flesh. This is also true. The eagle and the dove represented Varun and Agni. Yes, this is also true. Now students, match the column. Number 1, king. We can match CB Rana. Frightened, dove. Wigged, eagle. Courtiers stood up. Then students, thought. We can write the thought in this chapter. The greatest sacrifice is when you sacrifice your own happiness for the sake of someone else. This thought you can write in chapter. Yes, now first MCQ. CB Rana was a great and ruler. 3 options: cruel hearted, unkind hearted, kind hearted. So answer is kind hearted. Next, there was a great king named. Second MCQ. There was a great king named. First CB Rana, second Amit, third Arun. So CB Rana is right answer. Chapter is completed.